Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to Bitmart in 2025. With crypto exchanges evolving rapidly, knowing how to move your assets securely can save you time and hassle. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or exploring new opportunities, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need an active Robinhood account with some Bitcoin in it and a verified Bitmart account. Also, double-check that your identities are verified on both platforms to avoid any delays or issues with withdrawals. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website and head over to your crypto wallet section. Find your Bitcoin holdings and select the option to withdraw or transfer out. This is usually under a Send or Withdraw button. Step 2. You'll need the exact Bitcoin wallet address from Bitmart. Open your Bitmart account, go to the deposit section, and select Bitcoin. Copy the provided wallet address. Make sure it's for the Bitcoin network to avoid compatibility problems. Step 3. Back on Robinhood, paste that Bitmart wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, review any fees involved, and hit confirm. Remember, crypto transactions are final, so triple-check everything. Step 4. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Bitmart account and check the deposit history to track your incoming Bitcoin. A quick tip: always use the correct network. Stick to the Bitcoin blockchain for this transfer. If you run into any errors, contact support from either platform. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your Bitcoin from Robinhood to Bitmart. This process keeps your assets flexible and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.